Hey, it's Jessica DeMassa, and welcome to this episode of Health in 2.0. Mr. Matthew Holt, you look to be at a party, and I am very jealous. Give us... Oh, no, don't tell anybody where you are. They've got to see the intro first.
Okay.
The suspense is killing everyone. Where are you?
So I'm in San Francisco at a WeWork where the Novartis Biome, or the Biome, is launching.
Ooh, very cool. Well, let's jump into our 2 minutes of Q&A here so that we can find out what the hell that even means. Timer? Here we go.
We're off.
All right, Matthew, so what exactly is the Novartis Biome? Is this like my microbiome? What is this?
Microbiome is a guy called Sven G. Sven is the smallest of the people running the biome. And it's some kind of startup accelerator thing that Novartis has just launched starting in San Francisco. Officially kicking off today, they had a competition at TechCrunch Disrupt, and they have 5 companies in it. Who are the companies?
Oh, who are the companies? That's my question.
Conversational Health,
special guest star.
Edible, Mykonos, and Viva Health were the winners of Biome.
Who was that special guest star?
What did they win? Do we know what they won?
Yeah, they won 12 grand.
They won 12 grand.
Wait a minute. Who's answering that question?
All right. Well, do you have another question for us?
I do. I'm wondering what's new with Startup Health.
Well, I know all about Startup Health, but not quite as much as this guy.
What?
Oh my God!
Hey, it's great to be here, Jessica. How are you?
I'm great. So answer the question, what's new with Startup Health? Show us your new magazine.
Well, look at this. This is issue number 2 of Startup Health magazine in print. As Matthew says, wait, you're killing trees?
Oh, the tree deserved it. I'm sure the tree was guilty.
Hey, listen, 25 years ago, this is true. 25 years ago, Wired magazine launched. And it was an inspiration to many of us who really worked over generations to transform the internet and the web and many industries because of that. So we hope that Startup Health magazine becomes a digital Wired magazine, but in print. Still for healthcare.
So wait, you want to become an
You have 15 seconds.
Oh my God, an in-print digital health, digital magazine. Yes. Okay. So last question for you. When do I get to go to a happy hour?
What? Jessica, the last time I spoke to somebody about this whole issue. Oh, sorry, the alarm's up. I can't tell you. You may never go to one again.
Hey, we hope everybody comes to the Startup Health Festival at JP Morgan.
JP Morgan, yes, absolutely.
January 7th and 8th
Monday,
in San Francisco.
Tuesday,
Jessica,
the biggest startup party.
And yes, come celebrate, and Jessica will be there.
Jessica will be there. Unity will be there.
That's fantastic.
Steve will be there. Katch will be there.
Yes.
Pauline will be there. I may even get invited.
Matthew Holt might be there.
Maybe.
Oh my God, one can only hope. And if we are all there, then we should definitely have another happy hour Health in 2.0 because our viewers love it. Especially the bouncing around Blair Witch-like camera. The special guest celebrity.
Blair Witch, that's a good reference. I like that.
What a mess.
Thank you, Jessica. We love you.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Okay, so anybody who's still watching this madness, if you want to see more of the happy hours that we've covered, please check out our YouTube channel, Health in 2.0. Just search it. And always, you can send us your questions. Oh! You can send us
Zoya, come on in.
You can send us your questions by tweeting them to us. Tweet at FultyBoy or tweet at JustDeMassa. We also like to be tweeted invitations to happy hours, so please feel free to send those as well. Thanks so much, you guys, for popping in. Special guest star Zoya Khan, special guest star Unity Stoakes, and the ever wonderful, ever lovely Mr. Matthew Holt. This is an episode of Health in 2.0. I'm Jessica DeMassa. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks.